Hello, everybody. It is Thanksgiving. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, and this video is good through, all the way through Monday. I'm about to look this up, guys. Monday the 27th. A lot of you guys are going to be watching this, so let me first introduce myself to you for those that don't yet know me. I am the owner of freeonlinetradingeducation.com. I'm also the owner of groktrade.com. I've been trading in the live markets for 19 years. I used to coach. I was a stock mentor and coach for Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Wealth Intelligence Academy, Teach Me to Trade, Option Success, Star Trader, a bunch of those brands until my websites went #1 on Google. And now I have an education company teaching people the very best technical analysis. All right. That's who I am. Who are you? Leave your information in the comments. We're going to be looking at a lot of stocks. So let me introduce to you what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be looking at the broad markets as a whole. We're going to look at the daily, weekly, and we'll touch on some monthlies. But more importantly, we're also going to get into a lot of different stocks, and we're going to look at them. But you're going to see on these charts a lot of trend lines. I'm big on trend lines, and you're going to see these up and down arrows. Those are public calls that I make. I put them on there, and then they are there forever for all to see. And that shows our worth. That proves to our listeners, users, watchers, what our capabilities are, and we do that to help you. Whoa, we'll put a one there. We do that to help you all. All right, let's get after it. This is the spiders. Well, on Wednesday, the markets end the day fairly bearish. We have the financials down almost 0.5%. Nasdaq was in bullish territory. Crude oil up 1.75%. Gold higher by almost a percent. Silver higher by 1%. Fear, though, increasing by 1%, and Bitcoin at break even. Okay, let's start here looking at the SPDR ETF. Now, here's the deal. Have a call on SPDR back here on September 11th, and we've gone up on that bullish buy call. Okay, we're going higher. We are starting to go into kind of a rising wedge. You can see the red lines here. We're going at this trajectory, and then we're slanting over. So it's starting to slow down on this rise that we're making here in the markets. Now, the question is, what is the weekly doing? The weekly looks fairly good. Oh, this is Twitter. Hold on. Let's go to SPDR. Here's the SPDR weekly. We're going higher. It's looking fairly good. We still have upside potential here. We do have some resistance. If we can blast through that resistance, that would be really well for the stock itself. As long as it stays above this yellow 8 EMA, that would be a good thing. Quick look here at the monthly. Monthly is very extended. We're up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We're up over a full year to the upside. So we are long in the tooth. We are very extended. We are begging for a pullback. Could we hit this resistance line on the monthly chart before we pull back? The answer is absolutely. So the next couple months could be quite bullish yet. But as we're heading up, you can see the volume heading down. It's showing us that there's less interest going to the upside right now. So we're starting to look a little top heavy. If you look here at the Diamond's daily chart, I want to show you something. Up, and now we're showing some bearish pattern, almost what's called a bearish or dark cloud cover here at a resistance level. Will we drop? If we do drop, that's going to give us a double top trend reversal pattern. If so, we do have support, but if we were to break that support, I could see it's going into a down trend. The Nasdaq tech stocks, it's been on fire. Up. It's going fairly well. But we doji out on Wednesday. What will happen? Now listen, Thursday, Thanksgiving is on us. We're here. This is a great time of year. I love holidays. But Friday, the market's going to open again, but they're going to stay open till 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's only open for the morning hours for the most part. I would say just not trade. Don't be part of that. Liquidity or volume is going to be really low. Don't expect too much movement there. But nonetheless, we still stay going very bullish. We're really strong here in the markets on the Nasdaq. Small caps, if you look, let's go back to the Nasdaq, take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart, you can see we're in this nice uptrend, going up, 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 up. We're up several months in a row here, or weeks rather, in a week. And we could keep heading higher. If long as we can stay above this 8 EMA yellow line, all is well there. All is well. I mean, you look here at the monthly chart, month's still active. This is a dynamic candlestick, but we're heading higher here. We're heading higher. Oh, I called a sell here. Where is my long here? I think I'm missing a long call on my monthly. I think I'm missing that. Now, the month's not over yet, so I'm not sure where that is. I know I would have put one there. I'm not sure why it's not there. At this area, when we dropped, I thought we were going to start heading down, and it turned around. I'm telling you, I'm missing a... I think that when I get so many indicators here on TradingView, I'm using TradingView, that some of my trend lines start to disappear, some of my... I don't know. Anyway, there it is. Let's look at small caps. This is the Russell's 2000. Here's the daily chart. We go up, 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 and now all of a sudden we're showing a little weakness, almost like we're wanting to reverse, start heading down. Looks like that's what's going to happen. But we could build a high base over this area of resistance or support. This area that used to be resistance will become support if we can build a high base, and they give us something to launch from. But as long as we stay within the confines of these two blue trend lines, that's a rising wedge. That's not good for the overall trend of the markets. If I look here at the MACD, you can see, I mean, look at this. You got a bearish divergence. See that? There's your bearish divergence. We're kind of going here and stepping higher. You see how we're stepping higher, but there we're stepping lower. There's the bearish divergence. All right, and if you look at the weekly chart on the Russells, we had a bull pullback to support, and then boom to the upside. So that's telling me that my bull call on this is alive and well. We're doing really, really well on the weekly chart. And if you look here at the monthly chart, we're over resistance and we're heading up. We went down, touched that support line, and came right back up. So all seems to be well here on all fronts. But we're looking at the daily charts. They're starting to show a little bit of weakness. Okay, let's look at the financials. Financials. Here's the daily chart. Financials have been really more bearish, relatively speaking, than the rest of the markets. We're going down, 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 down. This is a bear flag. This is a bear pullback. This is trouble city for the financials. Looks like we're getting ready to drop right here. And if so, we're going to have a shoulder, head, and shoulder. This would be a head and shoulder trend reversal pattern right here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. The neckline would be right here. If it breaks down past the neckline, if we bust 26 on XLF, the financial ETF, that happens, chances are we're going to start bleeding out pretty well here in the markets. If you look at the US dollar, I have a rising wedge. I called it a sell here when it broke the trend line, and it is dropping pretty aggressively. Now we're down below the 50-day moving average. If you look here at the weekly, you can see I called it a sell last week, and we are continuing down to the downside on the US dollar. Crude oil. We have up, 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 bull pullback to support, up, 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 up. Crude oil is on fire. I called it a buy on October 10th, and we are quite a bit higher than that at this moment. Look here at the weekly. Called it a sell, and it turned around. See, here's another one. It popped up, and where are my arrows on my weekly charts? That should have, as soon as we popped up here, especially on this one, that should have been a buy. And there it is. Anyway, that just drives me insane. Okay, if I go here to gold, let's take a look at gold. Gold down, I got a buy, boom, boom, boom. We're at resistance, like it's wanting to break through. Watch gold. If it breaks through, man, it could really, really rally. And if you look here at the weekly chart down, and oh man, it needs to release to the upside. It may do that on the weekly chart. Let's go to silver, take a look at that. Silver. We had this big breakout, called it a sell, then a buy, and I stayed with my buy, and then boom, and then it came back down and back up. This is crazy pattern. I mean, just really insane pattern that we're looking at here. It needs to get over the 200-day moving average, and if so, it could break out to the upside. Silver looking fairly strong. And the weekly chart on silver, we got a sell and a buy, and we're caught up in the moving averages. Let's see what happens. I mean, this is setting up to make a big move, and I think it's going to be to the upside, just looking at the things technically. Quick look here at the VIX. VIX called it a sell, and we drop. We're at support though. Here I'm really close to putting a buy here. Put a buy on this, but I want to see some confirmation before I do, and we should go higher, and that means the markets will go down. This is fear. It's an inverse indicator, this ETF. So when it goes down, that means fear is dropping. All is well in the markets. When it goes up, fear is higher, and it's usually bad for the market. Quick look. Well, before I do that, let's look at the weekly. I put a buy on it, boom, boom, boom. Now we're doing that. I need to put a sell on this. I need to put a sell on the weekly. We're heading down. There it is. And then Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin for you crypto people. Put a buy on it. Back here, I said buy November 15th, and up, building a bullish pennant above resistance. That could pop nicely. And then on the weekly, called it a buy back here at the beginning of October, and it's gone up. Bitcoin is over 8,000. It's just on fire. Very, very strong. Looking good, my friends. Looking very, very good. I'm going to look at now some tech stocks, some Dow 30, and look at stocks here that you could feast your eyes on. And they're not buy recommendations, but I want you to see what we're doing and what our thoughts are on it. Before I do, I want to show you that I do own freeonlinetradingeducation.com. We do a lot of webinars. Jump into one. If you want to know how to build wealth as a trader, jump into this one. If you want to know how to find the best trades, jump into this one. If you're interested in day trading, jump into that one. If you're a beginner, you don't know anything about trading, you don't know why you're watching this video, put your information in here and we'll send you 6 free trading tutorials. They're ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, very, very basic, just to give you a good solid understanding of what trading is all about, and you'll find them highly informative. A lot of people very much enjoy these, and I think you will too. Also, for those that are more seasoned in your trading and you're ready to ramp things up, I also own Grok, trade.com. You can go here and look in our trading mentorship. Those are the ones that are wanting to cook with gas. And here are individuals that are still thinking, hey, I'm struggling, but I need some help with finding stock picks. We'll help you with that. And those that like to day trade and you want to be part of a real healthy, nurturing group of day traders that kill it in the markets, here's your room. So, all right, let's get to some stocks. All right, we're going to start the Dow 30, and we're going to rapid fire. Here. Apple, got a buy on that yesterday, and then boom, today it popped over 1%. This is Apple in an uptrend. Really good, looking very, very good. I like the volume the last couple of days. Here's American Express. I got a sell on it. Down, goes into a bear pullback, and now it's starting to drop again. That is a short opportunity. And Boeing, we have a rising wedge. I called it a sell once it broke it. Now it's at this area of support. It's now acting as resistance. This is looking to be a sell. Look to short Boeing. Caterpillar is going up. This is a bull flag. Look for more upside potential. I still have a buy on this from back here in August. So the buy on August still holds. Cisco, got a buy on it, but then I put a sell on it Wednesday. It could be a short-lived sell, but nonetheless, we are starting to head down. Chevron had a sell on it, goes into a bear flag and dropped. Now it's going into a bear pullback, and I'm looking for that to drop too. We have a short opportunity on Chevron. Disney, up, 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 up. Nice pullback, or kind of a bullish pennant that's also a bull flag. There's a nice trade here. I'd say a trade over 104 on Disney would be a good long position. Dow Chemical and DuPont, they merged. I put a sell on them today. I had a sell on it, down, and then I had a buy, and now I'm going for a sell. GE, we got a sell on that, and then today, Wednesday, I put a buy on that. Goldman Sachs, I got a sell on it, had a buy, and now there's the sell on Goldman Sachs. You can pause the video and look at this. I got a buy on Home Depot, up, 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 up. I'm going to continue with my buy. IBM, I had a sell back here on October 23rd. We crash and burn after that. Then I called it a buy, and we're going higher, 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 but that is a bear pullback. Look to sell IBM, INTC. We're up, 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 up. Nice bull flag. Look for upside potential. Look to go long Intel. Even though I got a sell on it, I am looking to go long Intel. Johnson & Johnson, this was a bull flag, but it's starting to fall apart here. Really close to putting a sell on it. It needs to heal itself in the next couple trading sessions. I got a buy on it, and this pattern is still holding, but this 50-day moving average needs to hold. JP Morgan, got a buy on it, under a little bit of pressure. If it starts to drop, I will put a sell on that. Coca-Cola, have a sell on that back here in the middle of November. Down, 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 down. Let's see what happens. We're below the moving averages here. It's not looking so hot. McDonald's, got a sell on it. I'm going to stay with my sell. It's kind of a little bear flag. This thing could drop, could be a head and shoulder trend reversal pattern. Triple M, we have down. I got a sell on it. We popped up and we're starting to drop down. I'm going to stay with my sell. I think this is in trouble. We have Merck. Down, 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 down. I put a sell on it and then a buy, and then it drops on us. Then it drops. I'm going to stay with my buy for a minute, but I'm underwater on that one. Underwater on that one. Put a sell on this one. I'm going to stay with my sell, and this is Microsoft. Microsoft is the sell. Nike. Put a buy on this dude back October 16th, and up, 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 up is made quite a move. And it's up above resistance, and that the resistance now is acting as support, which is good. On PFE, Pfizer, got a sell and then a buy. It's a bear flag. Look to sell this soon. I've looked to put a sell on Pfizer. And Procter & Gamble, got a buy on it. And then I put a sell on it, but that could be a buy soon. This could turn into a bullish pennant. That could get explosive to the upside. Travelers, got a sell on it heading down. I'm good with my sell on Travelers. UNH, United Health, got a sell on it, but that might bite me. I may end up having to be long this, but I'll stay with my short for the time being. UTX, United Technology, got a sell on it from back here, and it does continue down. Now we're down below all major moving averages. That could continue southbound. Then we have Visa. Got a sell on it. I'm good with my sell. Verizon, got a sell on it up here, back here in October, and now in November put a buy on it, and it's looking good. But look to sell this fairly soon. It filled the gap here. This could start going down. Walmart up, up, up. This is a bullish pennant. It is a buy. Walmart is a buy, and then Exxon. We got a sell on it. That's a bear pullback. That is a sell. That's a shooting star reversal pattern with a 200-day moving average. Look to go short X on. Okay, if you like what that was, let's go to the tech stocks for you guys that like to do the techs. Apple, we already looked at. Let's go to Amazon. Amazon, I put a buy on it back here, and it is on fire, going higher. Amazon is a buy. Baba, put a buy on it. We're up here, but now we have a dark cloud cover trend reversal pattern and almost a tweezer top. Look to sell this. I think that it could potentially be in a lot of trouble here. We need to watch out. It needs to keep going higher if it's going to get bullish. Baidu, I got a buy on it, and it's taken off. It's looking fairly good, but we're above moving averages. It needs to stay above those moving averages for me to be interested. Cisco, I put a sell on it today. There's my sell. It could be a short-term sell, But nonetheless, I do have a sell. Catfish, I got a sell on it, and it does continue southbound. eBay, down, down, down. We got a bear pullback. See that bear pullback bouncing off the 200-day moving average. Look to sell eBay. eBay is a sell. Facebook, I got a buy on it, and I continue with my buy. Google, I got a buy on it. I stay with my buy. GoPro, had a sell on it, sell on it, sell on it, and then I finally put a buy, but we come up here, hit our head at resistance, and we're dropping. That's called a bearish thrusting pattern. Look for that to drop. I might put a sell on that very, very soon. Microsoft, got a sell on it. I'm staying with my sell. NVIDIA, got a buy on NVIDIA. We're still heading up. NVIDIA looks top heavy, looks like it's going to drop soon. Oracle, I got a sell on it. It broke support, and it's still heading lower. Priceline, I put a sell on it, down, 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 and then I put a buy on it, up, 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 but now that is a short. Priceline is a short. Look for that to drop. We do have a dark cloud cover reversal pattern. PayPal, I got a buy on it from back here. We're going higher, 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 looking a little top heavy. Red Hat, I put a sell on it. So my buy is back here in September, and now we're going into the latter part of November. Now I finally put a sell on that. It could be short-lived, but we'll see. Snap was up 2.3% on Wednesday. Buy, sell. I got my sell, and I'm sticking with my sell. And I did a Twitter special video. Maybe some of you guys saw it. I won't spend time on it, but we put a buy on November 10th, and it is just going boom. But watch that supplementary video that I put together on just Twitter just to get more information on that. Anyway, take one of our courses. Feel free to do it. We do have a mentorship coming up December 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We're doing it online. All 3 days you will be mentored. You can bring a friend. There is a fee. There is a tuition. Think about going to college. It's a 3-day course at college that we're going to be sharing with you the very latest of trading and what we do. We hold nothing back. We hold nothing back in our mentorship. We give you everything. We hold your hand. We make it easy for you. We do all the heavy lifting and mentoring. So we do it all for you. And again, we hold nothing back. So it's December 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, Saturday, Sunday, and a Monday. If you want to join us, go up here to Grok Trade, groktrade.com, click on mentorship, the link, and then there's a form, fill out the form. And you can go that, or email us at mentor@groktrade.com. Say, hey, yeah, I'd like to hear more about that. What does that mean, hear more? Well, all that means is you're going to schedule a call with me. We're going to talk, and I'm going to ask you questions about your trading, where you're at. And then I'm going to say, what questions do you have about our mentorship? That's how it works. I'm not a salesman. You don't like to be sold. We don't do the sales thing. You answer my questions, and then I answer yours, okay? That's what we have a spot for one person. One person went from December over to January, so our January is already filling up. But December, on that weekend, we do have a spot available. There you have it. Thank you, guys. It's Thanksgiving. I love the holiday season, man. I love it, love it, love it. Very thankful for all you guys. I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for all of our people who trust us, who have become our clients, individuals have trusted us with their education. We appreciate your business. And I say that from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate each and every one of you. The ones that subscribe to the V newsletter, you guys who are in the chat room, thank you. Thank you. For those, and especially those that have gone through the mentorship, you know already that your life has changed by going through it. And you guys, I know you're just as excited as I am for you, but I just want to say thank you for trusting us to serve you. It's Thanksgiving. Just be grateful and understand that there's other people out there in the world that aren't as blessed as you are. Put out a helping hand. Help somebody. Do something for somebody that will perhaps change their life, or at least put them on a different trajectory, something healthier. So anyway, I'm just babbling. So there you have it. If you like the video, you like the technicals that we're doing, share it. If you would, leave me a comment. The comments are good. It allows me to hear, instead of me just talking to a microphone, talking to a webcam, I actually read your comments. I love them because I get some feedback. It's nice. Sometimes therapeutic. Anyway, there you have it, guys. We'll catch up with you later.